we gon' do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am, but I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped you style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. If you like my content, feel free to like, share, subscribe, click that notification down below so you'll be notified each time I post a video. Today I'll be doing a review from Stylevana, and guys, if you don't know what Stylevana is, they're a Korean beauty and fashion company, and today I have some goodies they sent me, you all, but I already opened the box and tried the products, and this is what the products look like, you all. The first thing we have is the Zika Peptide Anti-Hair Loss, and this is the Derma Scalp Shampoo. This is how it is looking, you all, and I use this shampoo. This makes your hair so soft. Normally I can't comb my hair while I have the shampoo in, guys, and this, it was so soft I could go right through and comb my hair out. So this is really nice, and it's strengthening and protect the hair, help to relieve hair loss, enriched with peptide and Zika. So this is good, you all, and you don't have to use a lot of, guys. Look at it. The next thing we have here is the Zika Peptide Anti-Hair Loss Derma Scalp Tonic, and this is how it is looking, guys. And all you have to do is after you finish your hair and do all that stuff, you just spray it to your scalp. You can use it daily. The Zika Hair Tonic contains Zika agent and 11 types of peptides to calm down the stressed out scalp and immediately provides nutrients on hair roots to alleviate hair loss. This has a soothing effect on your scalp. It feels like you have some form of mint or something on your scalp. And this on the site, guys, is actually $17 because they're having a sale. So the exact price of this item will be $25.30, but because they're having a sale, it's actually $17.89. We have is the Himalaya herb, and I didn't use this product because there's no instruction on the bottle to tell me how to use it. I went on the website and there was nothing. I don't know if this is still in stock, but I definitely didn't see this on the website, so I didn't use this. The next thing we have is the Argan Essential Deep Care Essence Oil, and all you have to do is spray this on your hair after you finish shampoo and had this and all of that stuff, you all. Your hair for moisture, you can spray it on your natural hair or on wigs, whatever you want to spray it on, you all. Next thing we have, guys, is the Rose Petals Hair Mask, which moisturizes scalp, give the hair shine in texture, and I'll insert a picture of how the mask is looking, you all. It was a bit small for my big head, you all, but I did make it work. So this is how the mask came, guys, and all you need to do is follow the instruction and place it on your head and you'll be okay. The instruction, it says, after washing and drying the hair thoroughly with your towel, you remove the mask, gather hair to the top of your head, wrap the hair mask around your head, and position the sticker band so that it is on your forehead and fasten it. Massage lightly so that the content can be absorbed. by all your hair. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the hair mask and rinse with lukewarm water. And that's what, guys. Thank you for watching, and if I have a coupon code, I'll leave it in the description down below so you can go and check Stylevana out and check this product or other products. Just check their website out, you all, and maybe you'll find something that you like. Maybe not, but go ahead and check their website out, you all. Thank you for watching. As always, I do appreciate you all. Until next time, bye.
First, we're gonna do this my way. I'm running around like you forget who I am. But I made you, don't you forget that. Starting on your friends like you ain't hop on my wave. I helped your style, I helped you grind, and you know for damn sure I'll always ride. Your mama always call me and that's alright, cause she know I'm the only one who stood by your side. I don't like to brag on what I do, but you acting like I didn't make you. Looking at me sideways, giving me all type of face. Gotta put you in your place, but don't pass your place. You build a bed, your girl living off what I built. Boy, you better stop and chill before